Selling travel helps you earn an income, but building a business helps you create a future, and these are two different goals. Hi people, welcome back to your channel Dreamport Journey with Arpita, and we are going to talk about series 5, building your own travel business, episode 2 of the difference between selling travel and owning a travel business. Now the thing is, when we join at Dreamport, usually we think about the sale, and that is also an important factor, because if there is no sale, there is no commission. There is no commission, there is no income. If there is no income, you are staying stagnant at there. So I think that is the reason why sales matters. But at the same time, eventually I discovered one thing, that sales are how a business starts, but they are not how a business grows. And I think these are two very different mindsets that people need to understand. These are the important lessons that people need to know also. And I think, I remember when I first started, I think for about 3 to 4 months, my scoreboard was always, did I make a sale? Yes. Did I make a sale? No. That was the only scoreboard I was judging myself. I mean, that is how I was measuring my success. And eventually when I started speaking to a lot of my team members, I was seeing that they were so calm. Even if they are not making sales, maybe like 2 days, 3 days, 4 days in a row, they were also calm. And in fact, I remember I had a meeting with one of my teammates, Devira, and I asked her, for the past 20 days, you've not made a sale. Why are you so calm? She said, it's okay. I don't need to worry about it, because this is my business. It's not like, in business, you do not have income every day. But when you have a sustainable income. So I think that conversation struck a chord with me, and I was like, wow, what a beautiful way of thinking, and I think that's how my mindset changed completely. And I was like, okay, fine. Instead of, looking at what I'm doing today, let me focus about what I'm building for tomorrow. And I think that's how my focus started, shifting from actually selling a travel ticket to actually owning a business. And I think that is where people do not understand that sale is just a moment. A business is a system. Sale can happen today, but business continues tomorrow. And I think that is the difference which that conversation stuck with me. And I think this is what the biggest lesson Dreamport has taught me, is that selling travel is a skill, but actually building business is actually a mindset. And that is where the skill can help you close the booking, but the mindset helps you think beyond the booking, beyond this week, beyond this month, beyond today's commission, because eventually you will stop asking how many sales did I make, and rather you will start asking what am I building. And I think that question changes everything, because the answer isn't visible immediately. It is built through consistency. Remember, through service, through trust, through reputation, through showing up again and again. And that's why, two agents can have the exact same opportunity, and they can yet create completely different outcomes, because one can focus only on transaction and the other is starting to build something much, much bigger. And I think that's the moment journey begins to change. Not because, the platform changed, the lead changed, or because the only thing is the way they think is actually has changed. So I think, that is the reason you should always remember, a sale is a moment, a business is something that continues long after the moment is over. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and we will meet again in the next one. Thank you.